Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Check that your iPhone runs the latest iOS, Bluetooth and location services are on, and you have an Apple ID signed into iCloud. Once done, pull the Airtag tab and hold it next to your phone. Pairing starts immediately. Assign a clear name like Luggage. Make sure Find My has Notify when left behind enabled so you get alerts if your bag is separated. This gets tracking live quickly and prevents wasted time before travel. Now focus on placement and behavior. Tuck the Airtag into an interior pocket or dedicated luggage tag pouch, not flat against metal, to preserve Bluetooth range. Once placed, enable precision finding when nearby for exact direction and distance. If traveling with companions, share tracking via their Apple ID so multiple devices can help locate the bag. Also, make sure you minimize other Bluetooth noise and enable low power. Finish by verifying the AirTag on the Find My map at each checkpoint. Use play sound when you are close. Replace the CR2032 battery at the first low battery alert, roughly every 8-12 months to avoid surprises mid-trip. If tracking stops, try this troubleshooting tip. Repair the AirTag after removing it from Find My, toggle Bluetooth and location services, and restart your iPhone. This often restores connections. If problems persist, reposition the tag away from metal or dense packing to improve signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.